Muskan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy and a highly effective home remedy to prepare a carrot cream, which is very easy to prepare and is highly effective in making your skin even toned, moisturized, hydrated and even fair and glowing in just few days. This cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is specially made for this winter season to hydrate and moisturize your skin from deep inside, and it also enhances your skin complexion, making it more fairer, glowing, radiant and much brighter than before. So to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need carrot juice, and to prepare the carrot juice you're gonna need a carrot. So to make this carrot juice, you firstly have to peel a carrot with the help of a peeler. You just have to peel the outer skin of the carrot like I'm showing you in the video. After peeling the carrot really well, now you have to grate it with the help of a grater, like so. And once it's nicely grated, now the last step is to strain the grated carrot with the help of a strainer, like I'm showing you in the video. And I'm doing all these steps just to take out the carrot juice, but if you don't want to do all these steps, then you can also mess up your juicer for just one carrot. But I don't want to mess up the juicer for just one carrot, and that's why I'm doing all these steps to take out the carrot juice. Once your carrot juice is ready, it will look like this. And now let's see how to prepare this homemade highly effective carrot cream. So to prepare this, you firstly have to take approx 2 tablespoon carrot juice in a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need vitamin E or vitamin E oil. And if you don't have this oil, then you can also use the vitamin E capsules, which are easily available at any pharmacy store for just Rs 20 or 25. And you just have to add approx 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil in this carrot juice. After that, you are going to need glycerin, but if you don't want to use the glycerin, then you can also use the sweet almond oil, and you just have to add approx half a teaspoon glycerin or sweet almond oil in this mixture. After the glycerin, you are going to need coconut oil, and make sure that your coconut oil is in solid form to make this cream more fluffy and creamy. And you just have to add 1 big tablespoon of solid coconut oil in it. And now you have to mix all these ingredients really well so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth, creamy, fluffy and a lump-free paste. After mixing everything really nicely, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and you just have to add approx half a teaspoon aloe vera gel in it. And now again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a very fluffy paste. Once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade carrot cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be as fluffy and creamy as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this homemade carrot cream. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 20 to 25 days. This carrot cream is perfect for this winter season, as this cream is perfect to hydrate and moisturize your skin from deep inside, and is also great for the dry skin people who are suffering from dryness, flaky skin and the lost moisture on their skin. This cream is rich in vitamins, nutrients and antioxidants which improves your skin complexion and makes your skin more fair, glowing, radiant and bright. And this cream is also good for the people who are suffering from dark spots or acne scars, as it has coconut oil, carrot and vitamin E, which are best to remove all types of dark spots, acne scars, blackness and dryness from your skin, and makes your skin super moisturized, hydrated, fair, glowing, radiant and much bright and even toned than before. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage it in circular motion so that your skin completely absorbs this cream, and you can apply this cream all over your body from your face, neck to your arms and legs to deeply moisturize and hydrate your skin. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.